The project which we are going to do is about LED lamp with human sensor. My name is Kirti and my batchmates are Chanakya and Sainath. I sincerely thank to our project guide Ms. Swapna ma'am and Satish sir for helping us in and completing this project very successfully. Coming back to the project, the main objective of our project is to glow the lamp using the human sensor. That is, whenever a human being comes across it, the lamp should glow. The main parts of our project is power supply circuit, human sensor, relay circuit, and lamps. The main component of our project is human sensor. This human sensor consists of 3 ports: input port, output port, and neutral pin, which is connected to the ground. This is the circuit which is built on the human sensor. Every sensor has its own radius, and so this sensor has its own radius of 2.5 meters, and also it senses up to an angle of 180 degrees. As you can see the semicircular shape over the sensor, it indicates the angle, that means up to an angle of 180 degrees. So this sensor is also called as PIR sensor, which means passive infrared sensor. As the infrared rays of a human being are transferred to this, so the name passive infrared sensor. Next important part of our project is power supply circuit. The power is fed into the power supply circuit from external source, that is adapter, which is connected to the power circuit. The power supply circuit now gets an voltage of 5 volts, and this 5 volts is transferred to the human sensor. Now this human sensor gets turned on and starts working. This human sensor senses whenever a human being comes across it. Whenever it sends a signal to the relaying circuit, because it sends at signals of 3.3 volts, and and we need 12 volts for the lamps to glow. So it is necessary to connect a relay circuit through which its voltage gets amplified and the lamps glow. This relay circuit gets energized whenever a signal is sent from this human sensor. Whenever the coils in this relay circuit gets energized, the lamps glow. Let's start now let's see how it works. An external circuit is connected to the power supply circuit, and this power supply circuit gets a voltage of 5 volts, and this is transferred to this human sensor, and this human sensor gets started now. This human sensor sends a signal to this relay circuit, and it gets amplified and the lamps glow. So see, whenever we see now the lamp glows. Whenever the human being comes across it, the lamps glows. It glows continuously as the human is present across it. As I remove my hand, the lamp stops working.